Hello, welcome back. Somehow the last recording I stopped, I didn't mean to. Anyway, here is Vic-20, and this thing, look at those pins. I don't know if this has ever been used, and it looks so clean, everything on it looks so clean and mean. Let's turn it on. Vic-20, copyright 1992, test by T.J. Zimmer. Help. And print, quote, hello. Okay, obviously, I don't know what I'm doing here. But this does seem to be working and happy and working. And the packaging is quite magnificent. So we'll put it back in, set it down carefully, and then look out. HES WRITER. Oh, there it is. I would imagine. This too. Wow. Looks like it's never been used. I find the HES cartridge things have a tendency to end up looking kind of dirty after they... Oh, that doesn't feel right. Oh, golly. No, it's not. It's not really straight. Whoa. Oh, my golly. I don't know if this ever gone in before. There we go. We're in. There we go. We're in. Enter text. 1 of 121. Okay. This is a test of the HES WRITER for the Commodore Vic-20. Oops. Hello. Friendly computer made in the 19... Where's the apostrophe? There it is. 1980s by Commodore business machines based all over the world. They made wonderful computers that are still used and loved to this day. Okay, now what? Well, I suppose I could look at the book. Instruction manual. Alright. Entering text is accomplished simply by typing the text. Yes, of course. Program commands. C. Copy a line or group of lines. Character color change. Delete a line. Disk mode enable. edit the text. Okay, detailed instructions for using each of the program's following pages. Okay. Format controls. There's all kinds of things in here. I just wonder. Print text. Preview the formatted text on the screen. All right. It's funny. It has things here. It doesn't really say format controls. A. Enter the text. It's still just in text mode. Got all kinds of great things here. Like it's got commands. Right there. Format controls. Feed paper to, okay. Justification on and off. I understand that. How do you do it? When entering text, you only have a limited ability to make corrections. When in edit mode, you can modify the line on which the cursor appears. Edit mode attempts. Number allows you I am a little bit baffled. Oh, copy, delete. How? It's telling me I can do these things. Typing a command character as the first and only character on the line and pressing return causes the program to. Oh. Okay. J. Oh. I see. This is a test of the justification of the lines in this sort of. Okay, so center. Well, that's a nasty combination. All right. Graphics, yeah. Print text. Preview. Preview. Capital P. From line 1. Enter the text. Oh, okay. Now. This is beautiful, but I don't know how it got into this horrible color combination. page numbering, spacing, graphics. I know it's about screen color change. I guess this just cycles through. Okay. Well, that's better. Screen. There was something here. But coloring. Character color change. Ah. Oops. Lovely. That might be good. Preview the formatted. Okay. Capital P. 1. Now it's going to show me the text that I typed in the format of like 80 columns. I guess. I didn't set margins, but I guess it is. Okay. Well, it works. So that is what is important. And the packaging is pretty fine. So as always, I'm going to turn off. And carefully, oh, maybe the cartridge goes on this side. Carefully put everything back. Maybe the cartridge goes, I'm sure I can't get it out of the bottom. Maybe it's best, oh come on. Oh, could the book be in the way? Oh, it really looks like it goes in here. There, okay. Yeah. Alright, so, interesting things. Interesting. So I have more stuff to go through, more stuff to look at, more stuff to test. But what I really need to do in here is tidy up. I do. 10. Print quote. I need to tidy up this room. Oh. Oh. There. That's what I need to do. But I gotta go through stuff. Anyway, these are interesting and intriguing. They are. Vic-20 HES WRITER. The Vic-20 and the HES WRITER, I don't think they've hardly been used. And more of these cartridges and games are always interesting. They are, many of them I already have. Here's the game Pipes that I'd love to play again. Let's see if I can actually do it better. Story Machine. And indeed, Cosmic Cruncher. Maybe I will set that one aside as well. And then, of course, we have, oh, don't forget, the Vic Music Composer. Beautiful. And, oh, there are some instructions here. Oh yeah, here's the addendum. to the manual. If your television picture flutters. Interesting. Poke. 36864, comma 133. I don't know what that did, because it wasn't fluttering. And look, the manual for the friendly computer. All right. Well, that's about all I have to say about that. I need to go to the car and get some more stuff and do some more testing. See what there is that came with all this. There was a Vic-20, there was a Commodore 64, there was a Music Mate, which of course still in the box. Is that still on? Oh, I should turn the 64 off. And this stuff, and I need to look through other boxes. But I really think this room is closing in on me. I need to sort it. I need to resolve it. I need to figure it. I need to fix it. I need to tidy up this room. I want to try pausing this for a second, because I just tried pausing before and it didn't do it. Okay, there. I paused and it worked. Alright, well, I have things to do, so I will carry on with things. And I will see you again back here in the TV room. My name is David Bradley. I am your host. Have a lovely day. Bye for now. Oh, sorry, I paused. I'm stopping now. Bye.